Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify features. To know how to find the solution about Spotify features, you should just go to settings. After that, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Spotify music and podcasts. If you will find here updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.